back to another vlog. I'm going upstairs to edit a video, and Mayank is working out because it's lunch break right now. I already made my lunch, so our routine has been really good since New Year. So I work out in the morning, and then I do everything. I give breakfast. Like, we don't really eat breakfast, but we eat tea. We drink tea and all that stuff. And then, I'm tired. And then I make the lunch and keep it. So once he is done working out, I give him lunch. I also eat it. And then yeah, this is how our day goes. Today is Astro's birthday, so in the evening we're gonna go to Nitish and Ashley's place. And hold on, I'm gonna catch my breath. Whew. And then we got some toys yesterday for him, so we're gonna go celebrate his birthday. And today I'm also gonna shoot a recipe. I'm only doing healthy recipes because we are back to our good diet. Mayank wants to lose more weight, so that's why. And I'm gonna shoot that recipe, and I'm gonna carry that for our dinner over there because it's pizza night in their place, and we don't want to eat any junk food. So we'll carry our own dinner, so nobody has any problem. He sleeps over here in the studio. Let me show you what I made for lunch. So this is red bell pepper, the red one, with some onions and besan, basically chickpea flour, a little bit, very tiny bit. I did not, normally we would add potatoes to it, but we did not add any potatoes because we didn't want any extra carb. And then I'm gonna make roti, and we have some nice dal over here. Oh my god, it has been a day. It has been super busy. Last time I saw you when I was editing, and then I finished editing one makeup video, which I'm very excited about. And then right now I'm just sitting with him for like 5 seconds because I just got done shooting a recipe video, which is gonna come out at tonight's special very soon. We'll let you know when. And it's a super delicious healthy recipe. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. Anyways, I'm gonna do some dishes right now, and then we are gonna feed Marvel, walk him, and leave for Nitish and Ashley's place because it's Astro's birthday. So we're gonna go have fun with him, give him some love and some gifts, and yeah, so we'll see you in some time. Mayank is doing basically behind the scene is taking pictures for my recipe, and you guys can see which recipe is, but I'm not gonna tell you what exactly it is. But yep, that is what he is doing. He is waiting for his dinner. Right, baby? You waiting for your dinner? And I'm wearing these sock shoes. That is for home. They're so comfortable, my god. They have grip here in the bottom. And I've been wearing this since morning and roaming around everywhere in the house, and they're so comfy. And they keep me warm. Right? Right, Marvel?
Here is Marvel. He just got his food and walk. And you can see I'm ready. We are going, actually technically we are taking Marvel to a birthday party. So Marvel is invited to a birthday party. Look at him trying to understand what I'm telling you guys. He's invited to Astro's birthday party to Yashu and Ashley's place. So that's why he has bought some gifts for his brother, his cousin Astro. Those gifts are over here. And I don't know if you guys know that I'm doing this back to fit thing. So I'm taking my own dinner over here. And Marvel is almost ready. Tanya is getting ready up, and then we'll just leave shortly and show you guys how we are celebrating Astro's birthday. Let daddy wipe your face first. Nobody goes this dirty in the birthday party, okay? Wait. तभी तो बवाल मचा हुआ है यहाँ पे. Go get mommy. He knows I told him we are going, so he's ready. Mommy is taking coffee. From over here, baby. Come from this side. I believe this is the side. Oops, Daddy didn't got the car keys. Mommy is bringing the car keys. Can you sit? Over there. Come here. Sit. Marble, sit. Good boy. Good boy. Get in. Did Daddy have you jump from the wrong side?
You already jumped?
Yeah. From the wrong side apparently. He jumped from between those two things.
Ooh. Go inside, baby. Come on. We're taking our dinner.
I told them.
Oh. Then I was late, I guess.
Yeah, keep it in the front.
Mommy's just gonna go get her.
Wait, let me set this mark away, baby. I know. Did Daddy set this for you? So for people who ask us about Marvel's hammock, this is what it looks like. Basically, it has the side protector. It's not just the hammock. So when we close the door, it actually protects the door until here. And glasses are easy to clean. So we really love this. This is from the both ends. And then the door is quite a bit protected. And then Tanya made these from one of the scrappy pillow covers so that we don't have to worry about him drooling on our seat. And I have my wallet, I have my phone.
And I have my Kit Kat and my coffee. A little snack for the road.
Alright.
You guys like to eat something while you travel, even if it's just like for like 10 minutes. I won't say 5, but if it's like 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes, or obviously long drive.
By the way, this is like 25 to 30 minutes worth of drive.
Yeah. So how many of you guys like to snack on anything basically while you travel? Let me know in the comment section below, because I honestly love to snack on anything, like drink coffee or drink something.
Most of the times we like take something to drink.
Yeah.
Like,
or I also love eating French fries on the road. So today I got three, what do you call 3, not pieces. What? How is the ad when you say Kit Kat slices?
Yeah.
I don't know how it's, I forgot what it is called when you break Kit Kat in the ad. Basically 3 of them are in here. This is mocha chocolate flavor and a black coffee decaf. We are here.
Come here.
Where's the birthday boy?
Where's the birthday boy?
Happy birthday! Mar, wait, baby. Hold on.
Come here.
Happy birthday!
Marvel.
Look at him.
Marvel. Marvel, come here.
Astro, we got some birthday gifts for you.
Astro.
Come here.
Astro, come here. Hi. Astro. Oh, sit. 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 Sit.
Marl, it's for Astro, okay?
Good boy. Daddy got 2 treats.
Look at both of them.
Good boy. Good boy. Here. Astro, yours is here.
Astro, come, baby, toys. Here, you take the toys, Babu.
Astro.
Come on.
Oh, he went into.
He didn't take anything.
Take it. Marvel says. Astro. Yes. Take it. Take it. Take it.
Astro, take it, Babu. Take the whole bag and go.
Alright, Astro, come here. I know,
I know, Bobby. Go, Astro, go.
Hold it.
You like my birthday gift? That's mine.
He knows where to run away. Take away. He knows where to run away.
Hi, happy birthday, Minnie.
You'll have to take it back and cut the thing.
Mar, wait, baby.
Can't catch him now.
Marvel, do you think we can catch him?
Now he's gone to the room now.
Hey, this is Astro's birthday cake. Look at that. It's made of peanut butter and apples. Ooh, look at that. Special
Just
birthday
peanut
cake.
butter and apples? Oh, we all can eat it then.
Yeah. Ready? Astro, see? Astro. Astro, ready? One.
Astro, blow the candle.
See?
Happy birthday.
Boy.
Astro, look at Astro.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Astro. He's already eating.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Marvel, sit. Marvel will just call up.
And Marvel will
whole
take the
thing.
whole thing at once.
Birthday to you.
Aw, look at his face.
Okay, come here. He'll take it out now.
Yeah.
Now he'll go play with the cat.
Happy
Look at
birthday, dear Astro.
He is enjoying his birthday cake.
He doesn't care who's outside.
Take the candle and the thing out.
Yeah.
Look at Astro. Wow, Astro, is that delicious? Is that delicious?
Oh my god.
He's enjoying it.
Hey, other one.
Oh my god. Easy.
Marvel, small bite. Marvel,
That's
the
it,
whole
that's it.
thing in 1 second.
Don't give it to Marvel anymore. Give it to Astro.
Give it to him.
Boy.
The birthday boy. You just took this whole piece at once.
He took it out. Sit, baby.
Astro, did you enjoy your birthday cake?
He did. He
Bobby, you
definitely
did. You ate the whole cake? Was it good and delicious? Astro?
You didn't even eat your kibble that fast.
Yeah. So, we are leaving now. And we had such a fun time playing Uno. They got a card dispenser thing from Target. And it is so much fun.
What is it called? Uno?
Uno attack.
Uno attack.
Uno Attack. So if you find it anywhere near your place, definitely get it. It makes the game so much more interesting and never ending, by the way. And Elliot was the one who Elliot won, so that's why the game ended.
Thank God he won.
Yeah, thank God he won, because we were playing for like 2 hours, I think.
I don't know, an hour.
An hour at
An hour
least.
and 15 minutes actually.
Yeah, and it was not ending. And Elliot won, right? He was the winner. Yay! Alright, we're leaving. Marvel is ready over there, so off we go.
So you guys heard that this little guy won, so he's the champ. And Astro had fun with Marvel, so much fun.
Yeah, the birthday boy.
Yep, the birthday boy has so much fun. So we are going back home and wishing him happy birthday. Happy birthday. And we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, stay safe and don't forget to join the membership for exclusive perks. Link in the description box below. And we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, stay safe. Enjoy. Bye. Bye.